dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 4, Sports and Entertainment, Chapter number 20, Director Watch. So let's begin. A film director is a person who directs the making of a film. A film director control a film's artistic and dramatic aspect and visualize the script while guiding the technical crew and actors in the fulfillment of the vision. Okay, so these famous directors are known for their style of filmmaking. Can you name them? Number one, this Toronto-based director has earned international attention with her films. So she is considered by many as one of the finest new directors on the horizon with films such as the trilogy that consists of fire, earth and water. She is quickly becoming the voice of a new India. So she is Deepa Mehta. Number two, labeled the eternal romantic and with one of the best musical senses in the business, he is arguably India's most successful director of romantic films. Okay, so although he made action-oriented films like the ever popular Diwar, it is in taking love and its various aspects that he has been at. So his name is Yash Chopra. Number three, considered to be a man ahead of his time, he was one of the greatest icons of commercial Indian cinema. Although he made less than 50 films during his lifetime, so they are believed to be the best to come from Bollywood's golden age, known for their ability to reach out to the common man and for their artistic and lyrical content. So his name is Guru Dutt. Next one, number four. He was the son of well-known Indian actor Prithviraj Kapoor, who acted both in film and on stage. After apprenticing in the Bollywood production studios of the 1940s, at 24 of the age, he produced, directed and acted in ARC with his new company RK Films, Raj Kapoor. Number five, accomplished film director, writer, producer. She was born in India and educated at Delhi University and at Harvard. She began her film career as an actor and then turned to directing award-winning documentaries, including So Far From India and India Cabaret. Her debut feature film was Salaam Bombay. ये है मेरा नायक. Okay, so students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Classic country music favorites. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which would complete the title of this Johnny Cash song, Sunday Morning Coming Down? Two, do you recall the Jenny C. Reyes hit which contains these lyrics? I can still recall the words she had to say. So she said, I had like to address this meeting of the Harper Valley PTA. Option A. Number 3. Which would complete the classic lyric, there's a tear in my beer, cause I am crying for you, dear. C. Question number 4. Complete the line to this popular song, I am proud to be an Oki from. Complete the line to this popular song, I am proud to be an Oki from Moscow. So, answer is C. Question number 5. Which state completes the line to this song? Let's go to looking back. Texas. Can you complete the lyric to this Johnny Cash hit, I'm stuck in Folsom? B. Prison. Sorry. Number 7. Can you recall the line that completes these lyrics? I put a nickel in the jukebox and played the truck driving man. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Musicians. A musician is a person who is talented in making music or performing music creatively, or one who composes, conducts, or performs music. So, there are some of the best known musicians of the world. Identify them. You can choose your answer from the help box. Number 1, he often hailed as the godfather of world music and ambassador of Indian music all across the globe. Okay, so he composed in 1970 concert for sitar and orchestra. For his extraordinary contribution to music, he was also awarded the highest civilian honor of France, i.e. Knight of the Legion of Honor. तो ये है रवि शंकर. This composer and child prodigy from Vienna is often considered the greatest musical genius of all time. In his short life, he worked on 16 operas, 41 symphonies, 27 piano concerts, and 5 violin concerti and other work in every form popular during his time. So, ये है Mozart. He is one of the most well-known Indian future players. Today, he was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1992 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2000. So, ये है हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया. शॉर्ट में लिख देते हैं. Question number 4. This musical giant from Germany successfully combined German, French, Italian, and English musical styles. Okay, in about 40 operas, 20 oratorios, and numerous other vocal pieces, instrumental works, and church music. George Friedrich. Friedrich. A well-known Russian composer, he wrote some of the most popular concerts and the theatrical music, including the ballad Swan Lake, the Sleeping Beauty, and the Nutcracker. ये है पाइटोर टैकियाकोवस्की. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 23. Digital photography. Digital photography uses an array on electronic photo detectors to capture the image focused by the lens as opposed to an exposure on photographic film. So try this quiz to brush up your knowledge of the world of digital photography. And lenses are usually coated with magnesium fluoride. Camera is actually a Latin word meaning room. Who coined the term photography? Sir John Herschel. A small camera, the kind that can fit in your pocket, point and shoot. Electronic flash memory, data storage device used for storing digital information, memory card. The part of the camera that indicates the field of view that is seen by the camera lens. So the answer is viewfinder. The total amount of light that is captured. Question number 7. So answer is D, exposure. This means that your subject is sharp and not blurry. Focus. The distance from the center of a lens to the focal point, answer number 9 is focal length. The button at the top of the camera used to take the picture. Shutter release. A camera lens that magnifies the image. Zoom lens. An adjustable opening in a camera that limits amount of light. Aperture. A 3-footed stand often used to balance camera. Tripod. The portion of a scene that appears acceptably sharp in the image. Acceptably sharp in the image. Depth of field. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. Hollywood and Bollywood. Hollywood and Bollywood are both popular cinemas and their names resonate their success around the world. Hollywood is known worldwide and Bollywood is popular in the Eastern countries and has been gaining popularity in many Western countries, including the US. Hollywood is a term that has become synonymous with the American cinema, while Bollywood is highly affiliated to Indian cinema. So try this quiz to brush up your knowledge of the world of Hollywood and Bollywood. Question number 1. Which Bollywood movie won the grand prize at the first Cannes Film Festival? Neecha Nagar. B. 2. The world's first commercial motion picture exhibition was held in which year? 1894. Which was the first movie ever shot in Hollywood? So the answer 3 is C, in Old California. In which year the first movie was shot in Hollywood? Answer number 4, option is D, 1910. Which Bollywood movie won the Film of the Year award in first Stardust Award? Option is B, Karte. Question number 6. Which was the first movie to be filmed the Technicolor? Back is Sharp. Which was the first Hollywood movie to gross over $100 million? Option is C, Jaws. Which Hollywood movie hit $100 million mark fastest? The Twilight Saga: New Moon. Which was the first Hollywood movie shot in CinemaScope? The Robe. Which Bollywood movie won the Best Film Award in First Bollywood Movie Awards? कुछ कुछ होता है. In which movie Raj Kapoor launched dream girl Hema Malini in the lead role? Answer number 11 is सपनों का सौदागर. The first 3D movie in Hindi was शिवा का इंसाफ. Which Bollywood movie was the first CinemaScope film? कागज के फूल. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 25. Indian sportswoman. Indian sportswoman includes the champion sportswoman that India has ever produced, who brought to their motherland by establishing record and winning titles on international stage. So answer the following. Let me start. Sportswoman, sport and award. Anita Sood, swimming, Arjun Award. Okay, next. Jwala Gutta, badminton. Arjun Award. Okay, next one, Bula Chaudhary. Bula Chaudhary, swimming. Padma Shri Award. Four, Dala Banerjee, archery. Arjun Award. Jhulan Goswami, cricket. Arjun Award. Six, MC Mary Kom, women's boxing. इनको मिला था राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न पुरस्कार. राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड. इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि स्पेस इज नॉट टू मच ना. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 7, रीत अब्राहम, रीत अब्राहम, ट्रैक एंड फील्ड. Arjun Award. Number 8, Saina Nehwal, badminton. Rajiv Gandhi खेल रत्न अवार्ड. सानिया मिर्जा, टेनिस. पद्मश्री अवार्ड. Sachdev Chess Arjun Award. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 26. Chapter number 26, Indian Sports Trophies and Awards. In India, sports awards are presented by the Government of India to athletes and sports persons for their accomplishments and outstanding performance in the various fields of sports. So the awards are also given for the national level competitions and for sports intended for the physically challenged. Okay, so read about reputed and esteemed sports awards in India. First one is Arjun Award. The Arjun Awards were established by the Indian government in 1961 for the excellent performance by the sports person in various events. So the award holds as a cash prize of balance 5 lakh, a bronze statue of Arjun and a scroll. As per revised guidelines, a sport person must have a constant excellent performance for the previous 3 years at international level to be eligible for the award. 2. Dronacharya Award. Instituted in 1985, the Dronacharya Award is presented by the Indian government for brilliance in sports coaching. So the award consists of a bronze figurine of Dronacharya, a cash prize of 5 lakh and scroll of honor. Okay, so since the best sports person award is named Arjun Award, it would be appropriate that the best coaching award is named Dronacharya, the guru of Arjun. Dhyan Chand Award. The Dhyan Chand Award is the highest lifetime achievement award in sports and games in India and is presented by the Indian government. Initiated in 2002, the award bears a cash prize of 5 lakh, a figurine, ceremonial dress and a scroll of honor. So it is named after renowned Indian hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in India, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest honor given for accomplishment in sports. The term Khel Ratna translated in Hindi literally means sports gem, named after the former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. So the award carries a medal, a significant cash prize of 7,50,000 and a scroll of honor. The award was initiated in 1991 to 1992 to offer a highest national tribute in the field of sports. So the award was formulated to present the utmost honor for exceptional sporting performance, whether by an individual or a team in our sporting disciplines in a year. So now it's time to quiz. Quiz time. Number 1. Winner of Arjun Award 2023 in boxing. Kavita Chahal. Winner of Arjun Award 2023 in cricket, Virat Kohli. Winner of Arjun Award 2023 in wrestling, Dharmender Dalal. Winner of Dronacharya Award 2023 in archery. Purnima Mahato. Winner of Dronacharya Award 2023 in wrestling, Narinder Singh. Winner of Dronacharya Award 2023 in hockey. Oh, sorry. Winner of Dronacharya Award 2023 in wrestling, Raj Singh. Winner of Dronacharya Award 2023 in hockey, Narinder Singh. Winner of Dhyan Chand Award 2023 in athletics, Mary D'Souza. Winner of Dhyan Chand Award 2022 in hockey, Syed Ali. Winner of Dhyan Chand Award 2023 in wrestling, Anil Man. Winner of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2023 in shooting, Ranjan Sodhi. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 27. Hockey fact. Read about some interesting hockey facts. Let me start. London was the first city in England to popularize the game in 1870s. Blackheath Rugby and Hockey Club is the first hockey club in the world which was set up in the year 1861 in England. In the years 1886, Hockey Association of England was formed in London. The apex institution of hockey is Federation International de Hockey, which was established on January 7, 1924, with headquarters at Vienna, Austria, which was later shifted to Paris. The first international hockey match was played between Wales and Ireland in Real on 26 June 1895. Hockey was introduced in the Olympic Games for the first time in 1900 in London. Indian Hockey Federation IHF was formed on 7th November 1925 at Gwalior. Since 1944, National Hockey Championship is organized by the IHF every year. All India Women's Hockey Federation was formed in 1947. India took part in Olympics for the first time in 1928 Amsterdam Olympics. In Olympics, India has won the hockey title a maximum of 8 times. The first World Cup hockey was played in Barcelona in 1971. Let's start some important measurement in hockey. Number of players, 11. Length of playing field, 91.44 meters. Width of playing field, 55 meters. Weight of the ball, 155 to 163 gram. Circumference of the ball, 223 या 224 centimeter. Color of the ball, white. Weight of hockey stick, 280 grams maximum. So, quiz time. Complete the following table based on Hockey World Cup information. So, let me start. Year, place, winner, runner-up and India's position. 1971. Place कौन सा था? बार्सिलोना. Okay, winner था पाकिस्तान and runner-up कौन था? स्पेन. 1972. एम्स्टर्डम और विनर था हॉलैंड. रनर अप कौन था? इंडिया. नाइनटीन 1975 प्लेस और विनर कौन थे? कुआलालंपुर. इंडिया। 1978 ब्यूनोस एयरीज विनर एंड रनर अप इसमें पूछा है, कौन कौन थे? तो पाकिस्तान और रनर अप था हॉलैंड। नाइनटीन 82 प्लेस और विनर पूछा, इसमें प्लेस पूछा है और इंडिया पोजीशन। ठीक है, तो प्लेस कौन सा था? 5 में मुंबई, और प्लेस था 5th। नाइनटीन 86 प्लेस पूछा है इसमें कि ये कहाँ पे हुआ था? ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड के 6 लंदन। 1990 प्लेस था लाहौर, इसमें विनर और रनर अप पूछे हैं हॉलैंड और रनर अप था पाकिस्तान। नाइनटीन 94 सिडनी प्लेस में हुआ था, विनर था पाकिस्तान, इसमें रनर अप और इंडिया की पोजीशन पूछी है कि कितनी थी। नंबर 9 1998 यूट्रेक, इसमें विनर कौन था और पोजीशन क्या थी? (2002) हुआ अलालमपुर जर्मनी और इसमें रनर अप और पोजीशन पूछी है। रनर अप था ऑस्ट्रेलिया, पोजीशन थी 10th। 2006 जर्मनी में हुआ था, इसमें जो है विनर पूछा है 11 में, कौन था? जर्मनी। ट्वेल्व 2010 न्यू दिल्ली और इसमें विनर कौन था? ऑस्ट्रेलिया। 13 इसमें भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया ही था। ओके, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 28. Racing around the world. So have fun with this mixed up racing quiz. Choose the correct answer. Let me start. Question number 1. Who was the 1997 Formula 1 World Cup champion? Jacques Villeneuve. This one. Option is D. Dufia World Rally Championship cars में pit stop during a stage. Yes or no? No. How many luminaires are on a Formula 1 car? 4. Which of the following drivers has won pole position and the race at the United States Grand Prix? Michael Schumacher. Who was the first driver to win the Daytona 500, the Indy 500 and win the Formula Championship? Mario Andretti. A. Option is A. What famous road racer won a NASCAR race in his third Grand National Street? So the answer number 6 is Dan Gurney. C. How many points do you get for leading a lap in F1 competition? Answer is D. 0. What type of engine did an F1 car run in 2000? Normal aspirated. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 29. Martial arts. This is a general quiz about the martial arts. Take the quiz and choose the correct option. Question number 1. Who is the father of American Kenpo? E.D. Parker. What is the original style Bruce Lee learned? Wing Chun. Aikido is from what style? Aikijitsu. Judo is from what style? Jitsu. The samurai code of honor is known as number 5. The option is D. Bushido. What family was involved at the start of the popular fight series, the UFC? Gracies. What was the name of movie Bruce Lee was working on when he died? Game of Death. Who played Darth Maulin Panthon Minence? Ray Park. Yes. So everyone, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapter and enjoyed a lot. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you. Okay, so everyone, the chapter number 29 is in here, and let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30, World Athletics Championship. It was a historic year for Team USA track and field in Budapest as Noah Lyles won the sprint double. Carrie Richardson took the 100-meter title in the men's and women's 4 into 100-meter relay, swept the gold medals for the first time since 2007. Lyles was also the first American man to win the sprint double since Tyson Gay 16 years prior. So the United States dominated the medal table, racking 29 medals, including 12 golds ahead of second place Canada's 4. Carrie Richardson of Team United States celebrates with Christian Coleman, Noah Lyles and Fred Kerley after winning the women's 4 into 100-meter relay final during day 8 of the World Athletics Championship Budapest 2023 at National Athletics Center on August 26, 2003 in Budapest, Hungary. Okay, so everyone, so the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand and enjoyed a lot all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.